All right, what's good, y'all? Today we going uh fix the encoder. So, if I remember correctly, actually I could just plug this in and then check where we're at. But I'm pretty sure um last I check all of those. I'll figure that later. Um, it was detecting all of the different. Oops, that's not what I wanted. All of the different like turns correctly. It just wasn't detecting the direction correctly yet. Like these are ones, and then I can whoop 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 whoop. Yeah. So we got to figure out why that happens. Um. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, and then to encoder. Actually, no, we're in the wrong spot. We're not there yet. We're here. Oops, I'm at encoder. We can get rid of this too. Um. Okay, so what would okay, so what I want to check right now is what the state is after each one and see if we're still getting that lingering issue because that could cause this. Actually, I'm gonna keep this up and then open another terminal. Application Pico examples. We're gonna build all these. Build all. Back over here. Boom. Um, build encoder sudo fdisk l. Oops. Mount tab SCA. Then we're gonna build all this. Wait, no. Oh my gosh. I'm silly. I did not need to build that. I meant to open the monitor. So it's resetting properly. Oh, that one didn't reset properly. Oh, that's because we were in the middle, which is good. So I guess it's a. Actually, you know what? Get rid of this. Actually, I want this on this side. But anyway, get rid of that. And I want to see which direction it's leaning towards. Because it could just be that's what we checked first. Which I don't quite know. How to solve that problem? Oops, that's not what I want. I wanted to build encoder. Need to reset this. Oh, I forgot to start this. 4 minutes fine. I'm cool now. Encoder should be. Alright. It doesn't really lean to one side. Which one is the first one? So if we catch here, that means A is true. But if we're going one direction. Hmm. Wait. Okay, yeah, that wouldn't matter. I wish I had like an oscilloscope or something. That'll make this so much easier. Hmm. So in the case where we get, if A is true, then we get 0, 0, 1. And that's the 8 to 10 key. So, which direction should we? Actually, what I could do is unplug one of these. Why can't I? So, and then I plug this back in and you get 8. Try it again. 8. One more time. 8. Okay. So, that one should be 8. 8 to 10. Meaning that the first one, or if I unplug that one, now it's, or if I go this direction, then that should be 8. Meaning that so many times we just miss the 8. But it's going high, so that shouldn't happen. Maybe I'm not waiting long enough? I don't think so. Does that mean that? Okay. Let's see, build, encoder. STC1, copy encoder to USB. Okay, I want to see. Let's see what the state is. So we're gonna printf sent the state. We can do the same here. Wait, no, I don't need that. Build. Build encoder sudo fdisk l. Oops, I forgot to reset it. Mount CD1. Open monitor. So it is resetting properly. I just don't understand. I don't want to print it every time. Let's just print it when we catch something. Because it's pulling extremely fast, but also it's only active for a short period of time anyway. I'm gonna keep forgetting this whole time, aren't I? Copy coder. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Not the most useful thing if it's just gonna keep sending zeros. Yeah, like it's sending 2. So I feel like something's going wrong with me keeping a value. Wait. No, because we set this state 0 again. I have no clue what's going on. It's like, it's almost up to chance which one it catches. I don't get it. Okay, so what I also want to check then is the status of the other. I can't do that though. I wonder. Actually, instead of guessing, let's just do one. So let's copy or get this out. I think the rest can stay. Um, there we go. Now it catches the other way too, which is the problem. Or no, it should catch the other way. Okay, wait. Clear it. It should only catch it the other way going down. No, it shouldn't. Wow, that wasn't a good test at all. I don't know. Okay, so I just don't know what the time difference is. Let me test this one last time. See if I only need to delay between. Okay. Okay, that works. So no, because that sleep should catch both of them. Hmm. And if that's the case, that we don't need a delay on that, then we shouldn't need one here either. Now it's always... No, it does change. Why does it reset though? Okay, this is not it. But it's microseconds. If it's a milli for the actual encoder, it should not matter. And not need resets. Why did I put this here? Because then, yeah, you're never going to reset if you're in here. What could be going wrong? It could be that it's too fast. But if we check this cycle takes 2 milliseconds. Oh, is my internet going up? Oh, it's slow. It's getting there. I think. No. There we go. What is this? Oh. Oh, these are like motor encoders. If you're 1/10 of a millisecond. Let's see if the behavior changes if we increase that. Now it's more accurate, but it has the ability to get stuck. Now, why did it get stuck is a question. So maybe it is a delay issue? And I just have to dial that in? Oops. Let's go back, open. Did it stop? It stopped. Why did it stop? Did it crash? No, it's not getting in here. I see, I see, I see. Maybe then this needs to be 100. It sent one, it got stuck this time. Just getting stuck and not finding the other, we need to lower. Actually, this doesn't need to be here. Oh. Okay, so the state is 0. Where are we stuck at? I'm so confused. Oh. Is it the case where we're not resetting it? I see why I put this here. This was like a placeholder. Or not placeholder, but checker. Maybe we're crashing. Okay, so we're stuck at 1. We're stuck in here. And we missed the last part. Yeah, and if I keep going, then I can get it another way. It doesn't reset. Yeah, that's not good. Maybe I just need to go back to putting 50 everywhere. Oops. I feel like at this point it's just dialing in what the delay needs to be, because it can't be too high or else it'll miss. Can't be too low or else it'll bug out. I think we're getting it right. Let me comment these out. And then what? Oh no, those are already there. Now, moment of truth. See if it is the right direction consistently. How to put that qualifier, because it has not been consistent at all. No. I don't get it. Like, even if you go slow, it doesn't matter. I could do some... Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some checking. Because before we get here, these need to be 0. Did I even build it? Oh. Okay, so it is resetting properly to 0 every time. Now, and that's without a delay. So maybe we don't need these delays. So sometimes it misses the first, gets the second. Because A is what? 8. Pin 8. Get 9. If not A and not B. Now I'm thinking maybe I need to do this faster or more efficient to get it to work properly. Okay, you know what? Let's Oh! Shoot, that is a smarter way of doing it. Just use the rising or falling edges. So, okay, 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 okay. Okay, so we'd have a few states, but we only want to change. So, like, if A is high, wait for B to be high, and then send. B high, wait for A high, and then send. And then it doesn't matter. We don't need to check for the falling edge because we only look for rising edges. Wait. Okay. Why is this commented? Oh. So the state will stay the same. And we'll just say we put that there, and then if we get that, we don't need A's true. Wait. Let me think. So we need to keep a what did I initialize that as before? Previous states. And what this will hold is like we know what direction it is. So we don't need these anymore. We don't need this. Or, yeah, this will be our direction. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need this. So we can just say, hey, let's put that on this one. And then if we get true, we have a few things here. Okay, so here we can set, we don't need this either, or this. We could set the direction, which is our previous state. I'm gonna rename this previous state. Right? So our previous states will just be wait, no. If we change this, then we want our previous states to be states. And then at this point, we say states or equals OX what, 0, 1? And then this is previous state equals state, and then we say state or equals, so 1 0. Okay. Then we go into switch case. We don't even need that. Just get rid of that and then switch case. Where it's the case where we have OX11. Wait, no. If state is OX11, then we have our switch case. And our switch case is if we have the no, this would be previous case. Then we have OX01, and that would be send A or whatever, and then state. And then this will be and previous state does not equal OX 0. Because if you have both at the same time, then it's not a leading edge or rising edge. Right? I think. Yeah, because we want to go one at a time. We want to check for the rising edge. So we want to go from low to high. Maybe we keep track of that? I'm gonna get rid of all these comments. They're not necessary. All right. No, we don't need that. If that and previous state and OX Wait, no. Um, and not pixel 1. Right? Because that will mean that it was 0. Yeah? Previous state, bitwise and... Or not bitwise and that. So that would mean it was 0. I think we're good. Oh, I'm running out of time. God dang. Oh, let me cook. Come on. Break. Defaults. Break. Bam. Bam. Build. No compilation warnings. Or errors. Nah, mean. Previous case. Previous state. Yes, sir. Build. Encoders. I could do this before the timer runs out. Sudo mount. Oh my gosh. SDQ1. Speed drive. Copy encoder. Bam. And then I'm gonna be in the monitor before. Come on. There we go. Okay, so it's stuck. Man. Okay, we have to figure that out. Because we're probably stuck in here. But I'll figure it out later. I'm overtime already, low-key.